What's going on, everyone? It's Mikey here. I'm just gonna be shooting some Nerf guns at my house. I'm not shooting Nerf guns at my house, but I have three soda cans and 2 Nerf guns, so I'm gonna test them. So first, I'm gonna test the Falcon Fire, which is this one, and it is windy out, so it's even like more of a challenge. Alright, so I gotta set up my cans. Come on. Alright, set up my cans. I don't know if you can see. Okay. So, here's the Falcon Fire. Alright. So, I'm gonna test it out. Now it's gonna be hard. I'm doing it with one hand, so remember that. You know what? Hold on, guys. I'm gonna use like a tripod thing. I'm gonna use one of my flower pots. I'm gonna see if that's gonna work. Hold on, guys. Be right back. Alright, so I got something to stand it up, which is flower pot. So I'm gonna be using the Falcon Fire. So let's see if I can knock down one of the cans. Got it steady. Oh, it's not even loaded. Nah, I'm gonna retry that one. Take a bullet. Put it back in. Alright. Falcon Fire, take 2. That was close. I'm not gonna retry. Alright. Okay. First can down. Alrighty. Alright. Okay. Second can. No. Let's retry that one, guys. Alright. Second can is down. Alright. Last can. Last can, there we go. So, that was the Falcon Fire, which I was using. It almost looks like an MP40, but it's not. So, now we're going to test the alcohol. I have both of I have 2 active strikes, and they're the only 2 in the series. So this is the Alpha Hawk. Let's set those cans back up. Alright. Alright. Now it's kind of hard to aim. Alright. I'm aiming. Right? These are actually pretty accurate. It's loaded. Now, let me try that again. I'm surprised the can didn't knock down. There it is. Okay. Let's try that again. That was a complete fail. Don't know why. Take 2. Alrighty. Okay. We need 2 more cans to knock down. Okay. Alright. No? Yeah. Hold on, guys.
Inside?
Sorry, guys, that was my uncle who came over from my sister's birthday party. Alright, let's adjust my camera. Here we go. Alright, take 2. What? What was that? It didn't even come out. That's weird. Try this bit. Alright. No? Oh my god. Yeah. Alright. Come on, stupid soda can. Why did that not come out? Right. This stupid soda can. Oh my god, this is annoying soda can. Jesus. The tiny little pistol works better than this stupid shotgun. Alright. Take 5,000. Finally! Finally! Jesus. Take 1 on the last soda can. We got 2 bullets left. Wish me luck here. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Boom! Easy. Now, which one do you think works better? Probably the Falcon Fire over there. That little guy. Not this dumb long stick. Because this guy knocked down these soda cans. This guy took like 5,000 tries to knock down these soda cans. So, I honestly think the Falcon Fire is better than the Alpha Hawk. That's my opinion. So, your guys' opinion is your guys' opinion. Shout out to my friend Alex. He got me started on YouTube. My God, seriously, this stupid Alpha Hawk. Really, you failed me. I also got a bag of Nerf bullets here. I don't want to bring up my other Nerf guns. They're in the house, in my basement over there. I'm outside. Hold on, guys. Guys, I just had an idea. So I'm gonna get a hockey ball, like balls that you use for hockey. I'll show you here. These. I'm gonna set up the cans and start throwing them. Okay? So I'm gonna do that instead of the Nerf, but I might do the Nerf stuff. So I have an idea. I'm gonna set them up like a pyramid. And I'm gonna do that with the Nerf and the balls. First I'm gonna do it with the balls. Alright. There. 2 balls, guys. Okay, here comes the first one. I'm going to teddy bear. Let's try with both of the nerf guns. Alright. Trying to set them up again. So cold out here. Okay. You know what? Let's take the hardware one first. Alright. Come on, alcohol. Don't let me down. Oh, I didn't even load it. Well, that was a dumb mistake. Oh, this is what? A bullet got stuck. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. So I'm gonna put all the bolts in. Okay. Then I just gotta reload it. Okay, it's loaded. Alright, don't let me down, Alpha Hawk. Here we go. Bro. No, you're kidding me. Oh my god. It's useless. Shia LaBeouf is better than these soda cans. Thank you, Win. The nerve is good. The nerve knocked down my soda cans. Jesus Christ. Alright. I didn't even load. That's how dumb I am. Alright. There's like seriously something wrong with this nerf gun. It did shoot. The bullet didn't even come out. Oh. Bullet stuck. Get in there. Alright. I'm seriously getting angry at this nerf gun. You know what? I can't even use this nerf gun anymore. It's like broken or something. It's really broken. I just got it from Target. Alright. Let's just skip straight to the Falcon Fire. Because obviously the stupid Alpha Hawk won't make this. Alright, let's do the Falcon Fire. Alright, first can down. Let's go. Alright. Second can down. Let's do third. Alright, last bullet. Alright, let's just count that as a hit. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to go. I hope you all enjoyed this episode of me raging at one of my Nerf guns. So, have a great day. See ya later.